Hey guys, thanks for joining us here today. I'm down in Browns Bay with one of the owners of Brake and Auto Services, Jackie. And as you guys know, we've been working really hard over the up and come recent weekends. And we're about to show these guys their temporary website, which we have rebuilt for them. So we're excited, they're excited. Over to you, Jax.
Awesome, let's hit it. Busy loading. You guys have been spending a lot of hours on it.
We've spent quite a few, but we do that on everybody. So this is
beautiful.
This is just first impression.
That's fantastic.
So we've got the video playing in the main header, which does look nice and attractive. I've always said to you, you have one of the best corporate videos out there. So for me, it has to be highlighted.
Yeah. That looks awesome.
And then if you scroll down the front page, I've done a little bit of text amendments to the main title, because obviously we've optimized that. But it's keeping up.
Great.
Yeah,
look at that. Awesome.
Yeah, keeping up with what you had really going originally, and all those links are live. So there's a link to your Facebook, link to Google Business, which keeps it really easy for you guys in relation to when you ask your customers to review you. Click on the Google, and it just takes your customers on an outside link straight to your review page.
Yep. Fantastic.
So that's real easy. You go back to your site. So what we've done, if you scroll back up, off your home page, your car services.
Yep.
Okay, we've got all those drop downs, and we've pretty much captured and brought across all the text from your original website. But what I've done is I've optimized, SEO'd the homepage. I've SEO'd the warrant of fitness. I think I've also done the brake disc machining, because those are the key ones. Those are the key ones for your business.
Awesome.
So at the moment, Rish and I
That looks amazing. You guys have done a great job. It looks so much more cleaner.
You think so?
Yeah, absolutely. Look at this. I love the movement there, and the colours are just beautiful. And with that.
Yeah, that was clever with the yellow going through it. It doesn't distort it, but it's just something else that's yellow, which is obviously your main corporate colour, your corporate ID.
Yeah, definitely looks a lot nicer.
So if you just highlight on all those inner pages, and you'll just see the drop downs. So nothing there as a drop down. We've got that as a drop down. Frequent asked questions for your brakes. You've got your customer reviews, and then click on the contact.
Yep.
And then what we've got here is we've got your Google Maps. We've got a nice simple form. We've got some hours of opening.
That looks amazing. You guys have done well, and it's only just the beginning.
And we've just started. Absolutely.
That's awesome.
Absolutely. Good to see you guys happy.
Really good.
And coming back to the video again, the reason that Brake and Auto came to Internet Marketing Auckland to rebuild their website was because they were having issues with their SSL certificate. So it's important that we fix that and address that for them, which we have here, which means they've got an absolutely 100% secured website. So
awesome, good job, well done.
Thank you.
Looking forward to seeing the rest.